What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma OUTCAST EXB 8S. What I'm doing today, I'm testing out these Duratrax Bandito X tires, street tires. I'm gonna do a speed test. I want to see how they hold up because these is pretty old. I had them for a while, and for some reason, the Bandito tires have a hard. The Duratrax tires seem to become unglued easier than the rest of them. But I re-glued them. Let's see how she perform. Let's get into it. They kicking up some dirt though. This thing is a beast. Keep that front from coming up though. That tire coming unglued already, man. Oh, she trying to wheelie on me. Let's check that speed real quick. That was 47 miles an hour. let's check that speed real quick. I'm gonna have to get some more tires for this. These RPMs is holding up pretty good though. But these tires is not working. Like all my tires is done for this truck. I'm gonna have to buy some. I'm trying to be cheap. I'm meant to go to RC Discount Superstore and buy some tires. Yo, the bad part is I'm having more fun with this than the street car. Yeah, this is a monster. All right, I'm gonna have to stop. I'm gonna wind up breaking something up here. This thing is a monster. The OUTCAST, the EXB 8S, man, this thing, I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end this, y'all. I'll be running this forever. This battery, I got a Gens Ace 11,000 milliamp battery, 100C burst. So, you know, I'll be running this forever. I just gotta end this run and call it a day. All right, let me stop. As always, whoa, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe, and I'm out. Man, this is a monster. Oh.